Alright, let's talk about XTrend Speed. Is it the real deal or just another trading app with smoke and mirrors? I've spent hours digging through the facts, user reviews, and actual regulation details, so here's what I found. First up, safety and regulation. XTrend Speed is owned by Rhinat Capital, regulated in South Africa under the FSCA, which is what's known as Tier 2 regulation. That's decent. It means there's oversight, and your funds are in segregated accounts, not mixed in with company cash. Plus, they're insured by South Africa's biggest insurer, NNAC. All of those are good signs, but let's get real. Regulation is just one piece of the puzzle. The real drama? User reviews. People are seriously split. Some love the app for its simple interface, copy trading, and even the sports team sponsorships. But here's the catch. I found a lot of complaints about withdrawals, either super slow or just not happening at all. And those hidden fees, not cool. There are also accusations about price movements not matching other platforms, which raises eyebrows about possible market manipulation. The company says it's all just network issues, but honestly, that's a little hard to swallow. So, what's my honest take? XTrend Speed is legally registered, and yes, it has some protections for your money. But too many users have reported trouble getting their money out, and that's a serious red flag. Bottom line, if you want to try XTrend Speed, go in with your eyes open and only trade money you can afford to lose. Personally, I'd stick with platforms that have stricter Tier 1 regulation and a cleaner track record with withdrawals. Stay safe and trade